Ever been in a ride-hailing dilemma? You're ready to go, but your wallet's MIA? Or maybe you're just tired of fumbling for cash? Well, fear not, fellow travelers, because today we're diving deep into the world of GrabPay, the digital wallet that's revolutionizing how we move around. Grab, the leading super app in Southeast Asia, offers a plethora of services, from ride-hailing to food delivery. And at the heart of this convenience lies GrabPay, a digital payment system that's seamlessly integrated into the entire Grab ecosystem. But what exactly is GrabPay, and how does it work? Simply put, GrabPay is your one-stop shop for all your Grab-related transactions. It's like having a virtual wallet within the Grab app. You can top up your GrabPay balance using various methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and even cash deposits at designated outlets. Once topped up, you can use your GrabPay balance to pay for your rides, food deliveries, and even in-app purchases at participating merchants. But that's not all. GrabPay offers a host of exciting features that make it a truly convenient and rewarding payment method. Contactless payments. Say goodbye to fumbling for cash or cards. With GrabPay, you can make contactless payments with just a few taps on your phone. Exclusive deals and promotions. Enjoy exclusive discounts, cashback offers, and other exciting promotions when you pay with GrabPay. Rewards program. Earn points with every transaction and redeem them for amazing rewards like free rides, discounts, and even merchandise. Security and convenience. GrabPay prioritizes your security with robust encryption and fraud prevention measures. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe to use GrabPay? Absolutely. GrabPay employs industry-standard security protocols to protect your funds and personal information. And what if you have questions or encounter any issues? Grab provides excellent customer support through various channels, including in-app chat, email, and phone. GrabPay is a game-changer in the world of digital payments. It's convenient, secure, and offers a host of benefits that make it a rewarding choice for all your Grab-related transactions. So, why wait? Download the Grab app today, top up your GrabPay balance, and experience the convenience of seamless digital payments firsthand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.